India has record of money laundering and loan frauds by big companies and super powerful individuals from 2G scam to Commonwealth Games scam, from Vijay Mallya to Nirav Modi. And today we will talk about individuals who ran away and flew to different nations. Number 1 is the former owner of the RCB, owner of the Kingfisher Airlines. You guessed it right, Vijay Mallya. In 2016, Mallya flew to UK office not in his own Kingfisher Airlines because that's what made him bankrupt. In order to save his airlines from falling down, he took loans from various banks, a loan of total 9,000 crores. As the airline touched rock bottom, Mallya knew the banks would come for him, so he flew away. He was recently declared as a fugitive economic offender. Number 2 in our list is Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi. PNB fraud. PNB Bank is said to be the biggest fraud in India's banking history, with total of 13,400 crore. They, with the help of some bankers, used fake letters of undertakings at PNB's Brady House branch in Fort, Mumbai. He did not pay the margin amount against the loan, and with the help of his relatives in PNB, they were able to launder and forge such a big amount. 2 days before the scam blew up, they flew to New York and seek political asylum. Number 3 in our list is Sanjay Bhandari. Sanjay Bhandari, who is an accused arms dealer, proclaimed offender, wanted in India in money laundering case. He is said to be linked with Priyanka Gandhi and her husband Robert Vadra. At present, he is contesting his extradition to India in the UK. Number 4, Hitesh Narendra Bhai patel, one of the main suspect and wanted person in the Sterling Biotech case, which has allegedly done a fraud of 8,100 crore. The Sandesh RS, director of Sterling Biotech Group, used in routing and laundering money from their shell companies. And for these shell companies, Patel used to appoint dummy directors so that everything can move smoothly. He was arrested in Albania and by the ED and Interpol. They are fighting for Patel's extradition to India. Number 5 in our list is Ashish Jobanputra and Preeti Jobanputra. A money laundering case was registered in 2017 against Ahmedabad-based textile import firm ABC Cospin. This was the 800 crore worth fraud case. The company was availing bills discounting facilities from 2 banks, State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda, against LC of other prime banks. They left India just moment after the scam was busted. The couple are suspected to be in LA as we speak. Guys, do you know total of 31,900 crore scam by these fugitives? 31,900 crore. Just imagine the amount of things we could have done with this. We could have made vaccines and distribute it for free. It can buy many third-tier countries if someone want to. Guys, let's face it, scams will happen. People will find loopholes in the system to exploit it. But the government has to create a proper structure and guidelines with minimum loopholes to avoid scams as much as possible, so that the money of common man is not wasted and misutilized. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please let us know in the comment section below, and do not forget to share and subscribe the video. And guys, please press the bell icon. Bye bye, tata, hasta la vista, and enjoy the life, man. Alleged. हाय 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 हाय, तुम्हें मैं थोड़ा सा व्यू दिखा देता हूँ.
मैं कहाँ शूट कर रहा हूँ? घूम 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 घूम.
This is Manali.